The eight unknown forms of Bhagwan Shiva as mentioned in Ling Puran. Sharva. Sharva represents the element earth, the nourisher, the support of life, the hunter who brings food. He is also an equivalent of the god of love, whose arrows are the five senses, the support of all beings, animate or inanimate. The deity whose substance is earth is called Sarva. By all the Norse of the scripture, earth is the nature, he is the ruler of all. Ling Puran, chapter 2, 13, verse Shloka 3 and 4. Second form Bhava. Bhava is the element water. He is sometimes shown as an attendant of Bhagavan Shiva and is then equated with Parjanya, the god of rain. Bhava, the knowers of the Vedas say, is the all powerful God. He is the nature of life of the worlds. He is the reservoir of the seeds of the seven worlds. He is the one protector of the seven worlds. Ling Puran, second chapter, 13.5 verse 6 sloka. Third Pashupati. The Atri Brahman calls Rudra the Pashupati, the feeder of sacrifices. Pashupati here represent the element fire, the embodiment of the ritual sacrifices, the giver of life. Pashupati is known to the sages as the embodiment of fire. The beloved wife is the invocation of offering Swan. His son is said to be Sanmukh, the sixth Skand. Ling Puran, second chapter, 13 verse 7 slok. Fourth form is Ishan. Ishan is the embodiment of air, the purifier, the regnant of the northeastern directions, all pervading nourisher of all that has a body. The spirit of air is called the ruler Ishan by the sages. The consort of this divine Ishan, creator of the worlds, whose nature is wind, he is said to be the auspicious goddess Shiva. His son is swiftness of mind, Monojva. Ling Puran, second chapter, 13 verse 8 and 9 slok. Fifth form Bhim. Bhim is the embodiment of ether, the sources of all that is, fulfiller of the desire of all living or lifeless beings. The embodiment of either is called the tremendous Bhim by the sages. The ten direction of space, Disha is the wife of the divine Bhim of great fame. His son is creation, Sarga. Ling Puran, second chapter, 13 verse 10 and 11 shlokas. Sixth form of Rudra. Rudra is the embodiment of the sun, the celestial form of fire which brings forth and diets up life. The solar deity, source of all splendor, the giver of liberation and enjoyment is called Rudra, the lord of tears by the gods, the wife of this solar Rudra. Inspirer of devotion is the shining goddess Sarvakala. His son is Saturn Sunny, the slow mover. Linga Puran, second chapter, 13 verse 12 and 13 shlokas. Seventh form is Mahadeva. Shiva is a reproductive power, perpetuality, creating again that which he destroys. He is the supreme lord, the great god. Mahadeva symbolizes by the lung, from which flows the seeds of life, known as the embodiment of all that is gentle, that is the moon. The great god Mahadeva is mentioned by the wise as made of the sacrifice exiler Somo. Ling Puran, second chapter, 13 verse 14-15 slokas. Vyagra or Asani, the thunderbolt. Asani is a spark of the fire of the universal destruction. Vaishvarnagini. The thunderbolt is also the name given to the sacrificer, the Joja Mana support of offering to gods and ancestors, ever the deliverer of offering self to the sacrificer, the great and fearful god. Vyagra is known to the wise, his wife is initiation, Diksha, his son is the elevation. Link Puran, second chapter, 13 verse 16 and 18 shlokas.